Abakuru aba babiri baramu bamemba ba WestNehinda Africa Business Association, ababiri bembirwe CEO Lawrence Robertson n'abandi abarugiro mu South Asia Chamber of Commerce and Industry n'aba babiri bembirwe Mahendrasingh Jadeja. Urukiko ruhona rwetabirwemo na Commissioner wa Britain mu Uganda Arisa Shezini.
This coming enhances the awareness that prosperity for the whole world, for communities, comes from linking two people. A producer of a good or a service and a consumer of that good or service, these two people. The one who produces a product or a service and the one who buys it, the two people. I don't know why planners in the world don't emphasize this. Because if I produce a product or a service and very few people buy it, my business will collapse.
President Museveni ayorekera abakuru abo ku Uganda egenzere netunguko mu by'emishuuburo kandi abagambire bishemerire kunyweza entunguka
and peace in the area. And then you add other things like our leader from South Asia, the skills. All those come in to support the linkage between the two. The infrastructure, the peace, the skills, the finances. Of course, the finances are already on the side of the production and the purchasing power on the other side. So I'm therefore very happy to see the three of us here.
Abagenyi batabarukize President Museveni abo businguzo byatungira mu karura kihwere kandi basima entunguka n'obusinge biri mu ihanga rya Uganda.
We were also, of course, persuaded to come to Uganda because it is obviously such a wonderful place to do business. The fact that, just to pick one area where business people coming here can easily, readily and completely take their money back home whenever they wish, that is a huge attraction to business. And we were very encouraged by your own governance, by your own determination to see the Ugandan economy grow so spectacularly over the coming years. I understand 10 times growth.
But a couple of few things which is I found out, as you know, Excellency, in Gujarat, there's a tile manufacturing is the #1 in Asia. There's a textile is the #1 in Asia. All of them, my candidates, delegates that came here, they are expert in tiles manufacturing, they're expert in agro, they're expert in food processing, they're expert in that one. On top of that, what I noticed, that you are a very lucky nation that nearly 77% of your population are youth. But the youth, what I found out through the research, they need a skill development.
Ibyo bikiriyaho President Museveni hona nabwo rukomanda mukuru w'amahiga UPDF abugina akakiiko akakuru akamahiga Uganda. Urukiko rukorerwa State House Entebbe orubire rugenderero kushizima byo kwerinda bihanga no kongera kubinyweza no kukuma obusinge. Komanda w'amahiga Uganda General Muzikine Rugaba nawe urukiko rwetabiremu n'abandi badumizi bakuru b'amahe ahande ngo zitari zumwe na zumwe Gashakwa Sengenda Abdul Karim.